Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be making hummingbird food from sugar and water, and we're also going to be unboxing our hummingbird feeder from Grete Gotye. If you have never been here before, my name is Marlene. Welcome to my home and garden channel. Now first of all, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing, and then we are going to make the hummingbird food from the sugar and water, so be sure to stick around. So let me go ahead and get my glasses so I can see a little bit better what I'm doing over here. And I was so super excited when they sent it to me. It's been a little while for me to get it together. Been a lot going on, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. Got my little scissors right here. We're gonna go ahead and cut to the sides. So far, so good. I should have got my box cutter, but it'll be okay. You saw it's packaged right here, guys. Go ahead and ease it out. So now we're going to go ahead and get it opened up. You can see how it's looking there. We have our manual, the nice colors inside. And here is a close-up, guys. It's giving you all the instructions on how to put it together, which is absolutely great. And for an even closer look, let's take a look and see what they have here for us. They're showing you the colors, that it's red, purple, pink, green, and blue options that are available, how to keep it clean, and just tips on how to use it. So it's showing you step by step, how you take it apart and how you can put it together. So I think it's very, very clear, very, very easy to understand. We'll go further. So over here now, I'm going in and I'm, just taking it out of the box. And it's very, very lightweight, which I like that. And well packaged, as you can see here. It has a styrofoam around it, so that's going to cushion it because it is made of glass. So of course, you want to make sure that it's absolutely protected. So I'm glad to see that they did all of that. And again, guys, because this is glass, we want to make sure that we don't have small children handling this, because if it falls and breaks, then you can have some problems there. So this really should be handled by, older kids and adults. And you can see me screwing it out here so you can, get an actual look to see how it works. You can see how it comes off there and just the details of how everything is put together. And I absolutely love that color, but you do have options which will take, a little bit more further detail in terms of not just colors, but different shapes for this product as well. So just to show you, even more detail of taking it apart, I'm just screwing it off here, and it's nicely set in place. You can see the shape of it there, how it looks. Nice color through the glass. You can see the patterns that are on there, which, gives it that nice kind of retro look in a sense. You can see it has a little perch, because, hummingbirds, they do perch, when they feel comfortable enough that they're secure. And it also has the bottom part there that you screw off. That's where the base of it there with that little plastic. So that's going to go ahead and prevent the water, or the nectar, I should say, from coming out. And I'll have a tip for you at the end too, as far as caring for hummingbirds. So just to take a further look now at the different types, shapes that they have. You have retro sphere, you have the diamond sparkling, you have ancient architect, vitality orange, the phoenix matrix, retro sphere shapes. So there's something here for everyone, different colors and different shapes. So guys, now we're gonna go ahead and get the food going. So just to show you what you're gonna be needing, we said water, sugar, and that's pretty much all we need. And just to show you that this is a 2-cup measure right here. So that's what we're gonna be using. It's gonna be 1 part sugar to 3 parts water. So let me go ahead and get that put in there so you can see it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the sugar in. And we need to get our sugar to 1/2 cup. So that's where I'm trying to get it to. So over here now we have the 1/2 cup of sugar, if you can see it. And it's not a perfect science. And we're going to go ahead and take it all the way up to 2-cup mark. Right up to the line, guys. So that's it right there. And then we're going to give it a nice little stir with a spoon. We just keep mixing until everything dissolves. And it should get clear. And some people boil this, after everything is mixed up, but you don't have to. It's just a matter of preference. And we have it waiting over there for us. So now that we have made our nectar, we are going to go ahead and fill her up, as they say, right? So we just screw it off here. And leave back just a little bit. It's been raining a lot, so unfortunately, we might not get to see any hummingbirds, but I certainly will show you when they come in a follow-up video. So that's why you need to subscribe so you can follow along, right? And I just wanted to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you've never done so before. I do lots of gardening topics, tips, and tours, and I just love exchanging ideas with fellow gardeners because we learn so much from each other, and I also try to encourage newer gardeners. So as you can see here, lots of rain in our area. There was just so much going on. Of course, the plants were kind of happy for it, but it just means that we weren't able to, see the typical hummingbirds coming in like we normally would. And just to show you here, guys, some details on it, like the contact number and all of that. And I will put a link in the description box below. So if you wanted to get one of these, which I do highly recommend, you can definitely go and click on the link and it will take you to the site and you can see all of the different things that they have to offer. It gives you the recipe on here, just how to do different things that's going to help you to take care of this and even to make your own solution. And talking about weather changes, we did get a little break in the weather recently, and so we were able to tidy up our front porch in my most recent video. So I'm going to go ahead and link this for you at the end so that you could take a look at that if you wanted to see what we did to get everything changed over from spring into summer. So just to give you your tip, guys. Hummingbirds, they love flowers that are funnel shaped or that are shaped like a trumpet, similar to that. Even if it's small, like these right here, these little pentas, they still love them because they like that tubular shape so their beaks can go down in there and their tongue gets the nectar. And you can see they have dianthus right here. That's another example. Even though it's small, they like these, and the petunias that you just saw to the left right there. So they love these type of flowers. So put those close to the feeder to bring them in initially. Of course, a bright color over here will attract them because they do like red. So it will bring them in, but it helps when you have, like other flowers there. This is my Rose of Sharon right here, and it's about to burst in blooms for the, the warmer months. So I cannot wait to see what's going to happen there. In past years, we had some purple flowers that were coming up from there, but we had a rough winter, I think maybe like 3 winters ago. And so some of the purple ones actually died back, which was, very disheartening. Thankfully, the year after that, we got the white ones to give us lots of blooms. So you can see how those were looking right here. If you look, you can see the dried branch for the purple one. We left it there because we wanted to see if it would come back or not. So we just still left it there to see what might happen. So it's going to be interesting to see what is going to happen this year with the Rose of Sharon. So you can see over here, everything is soaking wet out here. But I just wanted to show you down here that those flowers that you're seeing right there, those are cosmos, which I absolutely love. But those flowers are not going to really bring hummingbirds in. Those are more for bees and butterflies, like more like a saucer shape where they can perch on there. So you can see, guys, how this is looking here in this little spot. And I cannot wait till they come to visit. And of course, we are going to go ahead and do a video when that happens to show you, how they came along. And if there are topics that you wanted to get discussed as far as hummingbird feeders go, or just getting hummingbirds in your garden itself, then you can always leave that question in the comment section below. Or if you have any tips that work really well for you with hummingbirds, I'll be more than happy to, take a look at that as well, and just to share it in additional videos coming up. So I hope that this inspires you to get one of these, but just to show you that you can make your own hummingbird food from sugar and water, so you can save money that way. And it's always good to save, as fellow gardeners. So I hope this was helpful to you in both ways. I want to thank you so much for watching. Happy gardening, enjoy your hummingbirds, and I do hope to see you in the next video. Take care.